everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we'll be making this pumpkin crescent roll bake that is made with Pillsbury crescent rolls. This delicious dish can be served for breakfast or dessert and is packed with pumpkin spice flavor. Please take a minute to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 2 tubes of refrigerated crescent rolls, 2 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of water, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To make the pumpkin cream cheese filling, start by placing the softened cream cheese in the bowl and beat with a mixer until it is smooth. Add the sugar and 2 eggs, then beat until smooth. When that is smooth, mix in the pumpkin and the pumpkin spice. Spray the bottom of a 9x13 pan with cooking spray, then lay down 1 tube of crescent roll dough. Pour the pumpkin cheesecake filling over the dough and spread it around with a spatula until smooth. Unroll and lay the second package of crescent roll dough over the cheesecake filling. Make an egg wash by mixing 1 egg white with 1 tablespoon of water. Brush the top of the dough with the egg wash. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes until the pumpkin layer is done and the crust is golden brown. Allow the dish to cool for about 20 minutes before drizzling the glaze over the top. This can be served warm or cold, but I prefer cold. I hope you enjoy this pumpkin cream cheese crescent roll bake. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new recipes, and I'll see you next time.